Good day, my name is Leonel for the question how to promote digital transformation in Colombian medium-sized enterprise. The strategy. This is promoting the transformation of Colombia. My pine business model from the strategy use the technology from the internet consumption for the internet productivity and intervention of the digital route. For goal is this challenge. Eliminate barriers. Home economic research, knowledge, and accompaniment. In economic research, its are responsible, they are to relieve, increase expense. In knowledge, they are difficult to learn, complicated language, constant training, current related components. In the accompaniment, there is no permanent abyss, there is no transfers catalyst, there is no problem to solving. Another change to consider is both capabilities, web preferences, use the social networks, use the office programs, development digital contents, use the collaborative tools. Another change is the social network for business. This is training, accompaniment, and incentives. For goal to this is lines and additions, face-to-face the virtual programs, the training programs, business development, and seniors, the accompaniment and special base. The key solutions called electronic commerce and development, the customer application and incentive programs for development application. All this and the mentality and culture. And thank you so for lines of actions.